Hello everybody, today we are test driving 67 plate Renault Trafic, which is same as Vauxhall Vivaro or Toyota Pro Ace. Had a DPF AdBlue problems. All the problems has been solved, and I'll ask the driver owner. Hello sir.
Hi,
how was your van driving before and how is it driving now? Are you happy?
Before it was driving terrible. Now it's like a new van. It's amazing. And Errol has spoke me through every stage of it. He's messaged me.
Pictures, videos,
pictures, everything. It's been fantastic. If you're looking for someone to trust, Errol's your man, definitely.
Thank you.
And I wouldn't just say that.
Can you see black or white smoke from the mirror, anything?
I see no smoke or anything coming along.
It's clear.
It's all clear. It's driving very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
No engine lights?
No engine lights,
okay,
nothing.
That's good. Okay, thank you very much for your feedback, sir. We are Moorhouse Garage, also known as SupremeDPFCleaning.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. My telephone number is 07533 636 194. We are the masters for DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are certified diagnostic center and Quantum Tuning ECU programming center. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for furthermore educational videos. Thank you.